You will learn how to quickly copy file from your Windows 11 PC to Kali Linux that is installed on the same device. Let's just get right into it. The first step is that I recommend you drop the file you want to copy into Kali Linux on the desktop section of your PC. So let me get to my file explorer. Then I will get to documents so that I will pick one document file. Alright, let's say this one called customers order. That's the file I want to copy into Kali Linux. Alright, so I'll click on it. Then I will select copy. Then minimize the window. Then right click here and select paste. Alright, so this file has now been pasted here. Okay, the next step is to launch the virtual machine, alright, which is Kali Linux in this case. So I'll click on this, then click here and search for Oracle VirtualBox, alright. So look at it here, I'll click on it. So once it opens this way, just click on start. Alright, so once the Kali Linux is launched, it will give us this interface for us to add our username and our password. Okay, so let me type my username here, then click here and type your password. Okay, after typing your password, click on login. Alright, so here am I on Kali Linux. So once you log in, you will find yourself on an interface that looks like this. So basically, we want to copy file from Windows 11 to this Kali Linux interface. Alright, so what you need to do is to take your cursor here. We see these layouts, okay, snap layouts on Windows 11. So you can select this one here, any of these blocks. Alright, so in this case, let me click on this particular shape. Then this way, take the Kali Linux to one side and show you other applications that are opened here. Alright, including Windows. Okay, so if I click on this, it will take me to the Windows 11 interface. And you can see here am I on Windows 11 interface. So Windows 11 interface one side and Kali Linux another side. So I want to move this file from here to here. What you need to do is to take your cursor to the file, right? Just as I am right now. Press and hold on the left button of your mouse. Okay, then you drag and drop the file here. You can see copy there. So a copy of this file has now been placed inside this place. So you can still maximize your Kali Linux to start working on other things you want to work on, or maybe you want to move them to other folders on this machine. You can just click, right click and select copy, then get to any folder of your choice where you want to place them and then place them there. Alright, if I click on this icon here, then I can select open folder or any other folder of my choice. Let's say documents. I will click on documents. Okay, then I'll click on open folder. So this will open the documents folder. I can right click here and then I will select paste. The file will be pasted inside this place. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. You can scan this QR code here to get any of my book on information technology, which includes cybersecurity. Thank you and see you some other time.